All right, a different day. Guess what? I'm here in Lake Havasu City, and it's beautiful. Tara and I are going to go for a bike ride, and I'm going to take this one I've been riding for a little while, my ENGWE Pro 2. I'll show you. It's already collapsed. Put the battery in it. I'll show you how quick this thing is ready to get and go. Let's go for a ride. Right. Open it up. It's a heavy battery, so hang on to it. Slide it in. Let it slowly come back. It's already sitting there. Locked. But it does have super sweet pedals. Super grip. Got that. Our steering's locked in. So you got your LED headlight up front. You have a brake indicator in the back. Now, of course, for it to light up, the bike would have to be turned on. This sucker has a 750 watt rear motor, and it moves out. Has 5-speed selector here. All right, with the battery installed, you put your key down in there, which is kind of a pain. All right, so you use the key to lock the battery in place. It also turns the battery on so that it will function. So it has to be all the way out. Got your little power button here. Really nice screen. All right, so it does have a 7-speed Shimano derailleur. It has manual disc brakes in the front and the back. And it has a double guard for the chain, so you don't have to worry about getting your pant leg caught in there. Also, another thing is, this has a low-speed walk mode. So what you would do is you hold it on the minus, and you can actually walk this bike, and it'll propel itself at right around 3 miles an hour. Also, it has a cruise control on it. So if you have your accelerator on, which is it's a throttle control like a motorcycle, just turn that. If you are throttled up for like 8 seconds, this thing will go into cruise control, and then you don't have to constantly control that. Nice little bike. Let's go for a bike ride. As you can see, we now have helmets. Okay, you have a little place. You got your helmet too. And
Put the brake on.
okay, are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Got her all powered up. Selector here, up power band, all the way up to 5, down power band. I like starting out in 1. I do have over 16 miles on this, as I did clear that a while back. Again, when you get on these things and you have any power level other than 0, always make sure you hang on to the brake, because these things will take off. All right, let's go for a ride. My busy little buddy over there building the plane. Uh-oh, squeaky brakes. A little dust on there. And I think I lost my wife. I have no clue where Terry went. Huh? I went the way out that we were gonna go. Where'd you go?
I was sitting there waiting for you.
Now, I don't know if you can see the speedo down here, but it's set to something, and this computer just has a lot of things on it, and it worked. What I have it set up works great. I don't need to know how many miles an hour I'm doing. Let's kick the power level up. Let's see if we can get her up this hill. That was a struggle. Oh, she's kicking now. Yeah, I probably should have had it in a different lower gear on the Shimano. Let me turn it down. All right, as you can see, going up that hill, it's a pretty steep hill, a bit of a challenge. But with these 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, it does pretty well. You just have to judge your terrain and choose your gear speed too, the one that's the manual part on the pedaling. But it did it all in all. Let's see if we can cruise on.
Boy, this is really beautiful through here. So nice we have e-bikes to go explore.
I'm loving it.
I know.
I'm super loving it. Absolutely.
It really gets us out of camp to explore places that we typically wouldn't have explored.
And all the towns, and I mean, Lake Havasu City is absolutely perfect for riding a bike around.
Yeah,
If
it's
you,
a lot of fun.
You know, absolutely.
All
And
right.
if you like trail riding, these fat tire bikes do really well.
Yeah, as long as you take a little air out of the tire.
Yep.
All right, let's keep going.
This is one crazy thing, though. All this money spent on the bike.
They do need a better
I know.
belt.
Well, yours has the same thing. All right, so with my power selector in 0, I'm going to show you what the walk assist does because I'm not going to, go up that hill and I want some more riding to go. So what you do, you hit the minus button, hold it for a second, and it's going to kick in. There it goes. And you have to hold the minus down. Well, it sure makes it pretty easy doing that, I'll say that much. Well, that certainly makes it easy getting the bike up a hill like that. I do like that. That's the first bike that I've ever seen that does that. So, let's keep venturing on.
I'm not as brave as Scotty is about coming up that hill with my bike. I'm going to leave my bike down there. Scott's going to park his right here. We're going to go up and see what we can see at the top of the
hill,
ridge.
Yeah, absolutely.
Really beautiful
E-bike
back
is
here.
not going up that hill.
No.
Well, not with me at least. Especially on a loose gravel rock.
Yeah.
So, we're too old to get hurt. We get smarter and get wise.
Somebody had a camping spot up here.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, wouldn't that be beautiful? Well, that's a pretty steep hill. I think I'll walk right over here and see the other side.
Well, I mean, it'd be one thing if it wasn't loose gravel, but we don't want to. It's a beautiful Saturday. We sure don't want to go to the ER.
Yeah.
It might be gold underneath that sand down there.
Might be. Oh, pretty. But it is really hot out here. Wow, look at that. It's pretty back there.
That is beautiful.
Gorgeous view.
You just gotta love Craigie Wash.
I'm thinking that the people coming out here to camp are on side-by-sides. Wouldn't you think? There's a couple campsites over there I see too. Fire pits.
Pickup truck, 4-wheel drive. I don't think you'd get up this.
Yeah.
You could have right down there. But I wouldn't want to be at the end of this wash.
No, I wouldn't either. All right, time to go back down.
Careful walking down, kiddo.
I know. You have the bike. You be careful.
Well, here.
No, 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 no. I don't think that's wise.
I got it. You just got to get down.
Okay.
Get out of my way.
I'm getting out of your way. I'll let you go first. Very slow.
Mm-hmm. Get my pedal where I want it at. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it very slow. I'm gonna go right down the tire tracks. And hopefully not let any of these rocks slide from under me.
Slow and easy, baby.
I know. I'm sure that it doesn't look that bad on camera, but believe me, it's very steep.
Well, it's walking down gravel, which is not, it's very loose.
Yeah. Whew. Yep. It wants to roll under your feet.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think we're safe.
Okay, we continued our way up the Craigie Wash. And with this 48 volt, 13 amp hour battery, I got the bike up to 27 miles an hour. Now that was on the paved road. It's gonna give you a distance with the pedal assist on and not pedaling of right around 25 miles. With the pedal assist on and you pedaling this, you will end up getting right around 48 miles to 50 miles per charge. This battery does take about 6 hours to charge up from 0 to 100%. So today they have sales starting February 6, 2023 on this nice little bike. Check the description below. Remember, be good to one another and live life the best you can. And thanks again for watching.